Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to directly edit a video within your Dropbox account using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Dropbox, as well as a video that we have uploaded to the account. If we haven't, we can do that. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this way for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Dropbox. Click on this, then go to Dropbox.com. Make sure that you are signed into the account. Then go to Account. Go to My Dropbox, which will take us within the account. Now let's locate a video. Let's go to All Files. And then I see a video within suggested for you, or we can go to all files, click on the video. Let's now click on trim this video. This will take us to a separate window, which will then allow us to edit the video, trim the video. We have a video that's 51 seconds in length size. Let's decrease this to 41 or 40. We can save as a copy or replace the original. I wish to save a copy so we don't actually lose the original video. Let's now click on video title and name it video 1 edited.mp4. This will be saved within the CSV folder. Save as a copy. We then receive that message on the bottom of the screen to say saving a copy. This has been saved, and this is now the edit. That's 41 seconds long. Let's go back one. And here we have a video and video 1, the edited version, all from Dropbox. How amazing is that? We can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.